Hey guys, welcome to my channel. An average online marketer earns between $5,000 to $10,000 every month, and that is if he or she is hustling hard. And in consideration of this, they ought to upscale their game in order to earn more money. So because of this, I'm bringing you today an online university where you can earn your certificate and upscale your game and make a living from online marketing. The first we are going to be looking at is on the online university is Udemy. Now let's dive into Udemy. This is a Udemy platform. When you open Udemy platform, you first of all will have to sign up or log in. That is if you have an already existing account. In Udemy, you can either be a Udemy business partner or you can also be a student. Now, on this platform, I'm bringing you as a student and how you could be able to get some of their courses that you are seeing here, and you can get them for free. Now you can see over here you have it in your local currency. Wherever you're watching it from, you will have this on your local currency. This is 4,900 naira. And this is 34,900 naira course. All these courses you can get them for free. As we dive in, just be patient. Remember to subscribe, give a like, and also a good comment. So let's go into it. First, the first place you have to get these Udemy courses for free is called Coursesity. Here on Coursesity, you have, it said, instant search for 50,000 plus courses on the web. We have collected the best online courses from the biggest platform and put them together for you. So let's say, for instance, you are looking for a course under Python. These are trending topics. You have Python, Flutter with Java, React, AWS, JavaScript, data science, Excel, digital marketing. So for those of us that are looking, whatever platform that you are looking out for, you come over to this place and search it through the name. Let's say, for instance, here they have 15,000 plus free Udemy courses. Can you see this? Very, very, very massive. These are all free courses. When you click on them, you can dive in straight into them. Let's say, for instance, they say before now you should have signed in and sign up. Then when you sign up, then you can now go into the course. When you click, you take it straight to the course. Look at it. You can see that it's launching us into the course. So let's just be patient. Called Studybullet. Now here on Studybullet, they provide you with a free coupon to be able to get those courses on a daily basis. Those courses free. So here is, can you see what they have? All of these courses that you are seeing here, all of them, they are all from Udemy. All of them, international leadership, master your anxiety, all of these, they are all from Udemy. So each of these courses that you are seeing here, let's say, for instance, I want this one, how I make consistent return trading option. So you close this. Now it has opened. Then you now come down, scroll down carefully. These are the course content until you get to this row for free. You click on it. When you click on it, you see, you come down, you see here, say click here to enroll. You click on it, then it will take you straight into the course. Here you can see it said enroll now. The money that is supposed to be here has gone off, and here you can see that you have 2 days left at this price. So once you click on it, you have to sign up or log in to your Udemy course and you take ownership of this course. So I know very much that with you doing this, you will be able to upscale your skill in the digital industry. So for you to show that you like the course, please remember to subscribe Don't forget to leave a like and comment. Thank you.